I'm excited for our new Zen Garden. It's really a good look for the school because I've been waiting for this. Because with this new garden, this new Zen Garden, all of us should be more calmer now. Because it's more beautiful and peaceful and no interruptions.
This is the 7th year that Prologis has done Impact Day. It's a global day of service. So every office globally will do this today. We go out into our communities and serve in any way that we can, and they are all volunteering their time and services today.
So Alessandro School is a school for students with special needs that have social and emotional behavior disorders. And so today they're installing a Zen Garden, a place for students to be able to go and calm, recenter, and regroup so that they're able to rejoin the academic environment. And so we're excited to provide them with a place where they can come and relax and then go back and get back to their academics.